सो हेलो दोस्तों, मेरा नाम समीर मीना है और मैं गूगल मीट पर हर रात को क्लासेस लेता हूं, जहां पर मेरे बच्चों के साथ मैं प्रेजेंटेशन करता हूं, जीडी करता हूं, डिबेट करता हूं, कॉन्वर्सेशन करता हूं। तो आज का जो कॉन्वर्सेशन है वो है डिफरेंट डिफरेंट टॉपिक्स पर। मैंने इनको कल रात ही सबको अलग अलग टॉपिक्स दे दिए थे। तो आज इस वीडियो में आपको बहुत ज़्यादा टॉपिक्स मिलने वाले हैं, सबके बारे में ज्ञान मिलेगा आपको। विमेन एम्पावरमेंट पे, एजुकेशन सिस्टम पर, भैया जीएसटी पर, और इसके बाद हम क्या बोलते हैं, दो तीन टॉपिक और भी है, लाइक क्या बोलते हैं, कास्ट के ऊपर जो टॉपिक्स हैं उन पर, और इसके बाद हम बोलते हैं कोटा जो दिया जाता है बच्चों को, रिजर्वेशन, उस पर। सो बहुत सारा नॉलेज आपको इस वीडियो से मिलने वाला है। इन बच्चों के साथ इन्हें प्रिपेयर किया है। सो प्लीज वॉच दिस वीडियो टिल द एंड, लिसन टू देम एंड टेल अबाउट देम इन द कमेंट सेक्शन। ऑलराइट, सो चलो भाई, देयर आर 14 गाइस। चलो भाई हाय बोलो सब लोग, और फिर हम डिबेट को शुरू करते हैं, इस कॉन्वर्सेशन को शुरू करते हैं।
Hello everyone. Hi.
Hello.
So shall we start?
Yes.
Yes,
Sure,
sir.
Yes.
Sure, sir.
Sir.
Good evening to all of you. Hi, this is Anubhavi Roy, and I'm going to speak on the topic, very good topic, women empowerment. So, behind every success of man, there is a woman. As it a famous dialogue saying by the great elements in the modern world. Even the woman has this much importance, she is not getting equal status with the man. According to our ancestor concept, woman was considered to be a conflict within the four wall of our kitchen. During the freedom struggle of India, women activity participates in nation's freedom, but no one noticed their sacrifice and pains in India. India, being a democratic country, ensure the equal rights to all the citizens, but the woman had not rise to that much of level. Equality is not have the physical dimension. It also means that change in mentality and attitude towards a woman. People always think that women is not able to do any physical activity or anything for our nations. But for today, there is most of the example of women have their doing single mothers like example of ancient time like Jhansi Ki Rani and all these things. So I want to tell that women empowerment is very important, that needs to be complied. The right and the freedom that women have to have today are the result of the fight that empowers the women fought against it. The act of this empower women show that it is a time that the women too can enjoy all the freedoms and rights. India is the country that lacks of women empowerment. The girls in India not get the access higher education in higher educations, and mostly the poor girls. They can't get the higher education. They can't get the benefits of the of all the things like a girl should have. So I want to say that the government and the other private institutes are supporting the women in the leadership position and the public sector. Leadership of women is the public sector is the key of developing in the nation. So women empowerment is very necessary for all the girls, for poor girls also. So I want to conclude this topic by saying that woman is like a tea bag. You can never know how strong it is until put in the hot water. And I want to also say that be yourself, accept yourself, value yourself, forgive yourself, bless yourself, express yourself, trust yourself, love yourself, and empower yourself. Thank you for listening so patiently.
Wow.
The emotional attachment of the topic. बच्चे भैया भावनाओं
Respected sir and my dear friends, welcome you all on this platform over the topic My English Learning Journey. when I doing my job, so my knowledge very well, means read write very well and concept very clear, and I understand all things. But I left out my job. Some circumstances are there, are there in my family, but my confidence level loose and my knowledge day by day decreased. So therefore, my son gave the advice me, why are you not joining the any class for progressive purpose, not earning purpose? That's why he saw my position. I write something, doing grammatical mistake there. So I searched the class. After that, I got impressive English class.
Yeah.
Firstly, I joined the Kolar Impressive English class. I took demo class by J. Ram sir. Class teaching methods is good, but suddenly J. Ram sir declared and gave the notification their class staff. He wants go to native place. That was shocking news. But he gave the advice, go to MP Nagar. So I went there, asked some inquiry and took demo class in Rajesh sir and Samir sir. So I took decision Samir sir class because I feel no terror. I took class continue offline. My progress is good position, means speaking is very well position, but one tragedy there. So speaking learning position staff, so confidence level so, but speaking work nil. So after that, my son every time motivated me do work for English speaking and grammatical mistake. So join online impressive class. So now so nowadays I try my English grammatical mistake and fluently English. So pray my God and crew, you gave me the path and suggestion for my better progress. Thank you. Listen me so patient.
इसे बोलते हैं रियल स्पीकिंग.
Like this is amazing.
Then try touch the sky.
हाँ.
Okay. In my view, it means like as the sky is so about to us, same as the success is so about to us. Likewise, it's not so easy to touch the sky. In the same reference, you can compare it to that. The success is not so easy. You can't get the success so easily. You have to work so hard to get the success. Likewise, the foremost thing which you need to get the success is the passion. You should have the passion towards your work. Whatever you work, you can't take it as lightly. You have to work in a very great passion manner.
Mm-hmm.
Likewise, if you are creating some YouTube video and taking some classes, you have to be punctual on that and take the regular classes and all these things so that you can get a success whenever you will get. In my example, I would like to give one example to you about this related to this topic. Let's take an example of a scientist whose name is Thomas Edison.
Mm-hmm.
I hope many of you have heard about him. Like he has invented the bulb. Okay, he got failed 1,000 times to invent a bulb, but at the end he got success. So and he never say that I have failed 1,000 times. He just said that I have found 999 ways in which the bulb can't be invented. Okay, that means the positive attitude towards the work, whatever he do. Okay, first of I have already told that you need a passion towards your work, and the second most thing is that you need a positive attitude towards your work. Okay, these things affects very much in your success, because you can't leave it in the middle. Like there are many people who got fail in some work and just leave their work in the middle. They think that humse nahi ho payega and we can't do this, all this thing.
Yes.
But you have to overcome about that. You have to work in a very good manner and passion. And third most thing is that a plan work. You have to do a planning towards the work. smart work. What we call that smart work. You can't do just hard work in a.
Today I am delighted to share my thoughts over the topic unemployment. So let's start. So unemployment comes out out when a capable person is unable to earn money, and in this current situation, our country is suffering very badly from unemployment. The current unemployment rate in our country is 23.50%. Okay, so the main question is why today's youth is unemployed and why people is not able to earn money. What's the reason and what's the main reason behind it? So for my opinion, there are several reasons of unemployment. The first reason is bad decisions are taken by our government. Our government has taken many such wrong decisions which have a direct impact on the future of our young people or our youth. So the first decision is demonetization. You have idea about demonetization? So I think let me explain. On 8 November 2016, the government of India announced the demonetization of all 500 and thousands banknotes, I think. And so due to demonetization, all the small business are badly affected, and because of this, they all shut down. So according to RBI data, the unemployment growth rate has increased 6% only because of the demonetization. And the second bad decision is for my opinion, is the lockdown. Like around 2.16 crore people lost their jobs in last 4 months. And this happened only because of the lockdown. I know lockdown is important because of coronavirus. It is necessary, but that doesn't mean you shut down the whole country. Our government is shut down almost everything, and because of this, people lost their jobs. Now they are unemployed. Because of this, more people are dying every day because of unemployment compared than the coronavirus. Okay, so even after the lockdown was decided, the corona cases in India are more than 15 lakh. So this is the biggest failure of the lockdown and our government. Apart from this, one more reason of unemployment is the lack of knowledge.
Okay, sir. Good evening, everyone. Here, Mahima Shukla, and today I have took the topic "Say No to Old Age Homes." So, the best feeling in the world is to know that your parents are smiling because of you. So, guys, do you remember your first step in this world? Or the first night when you came into the world? I'm definitely sure no one even know about that. You remember?
No, don't talk in message. Don't say here. Okay, speak.
In my opinion, no one even knows that when we came in this world, who was that first person who takes us in their lap.
Yes, you are right.
But whenever we ask this to our parents, they will tell you about those precious moments of your childhood that they enjoyed with you and which made our childhood really very amazing. So nowadays, what children are doing with their parents and why they are doing this? Whenever we listen this type of cases that he sends his parents to old age home, everyone just sounds like how children be so cruel. But why we are not taking step forward for stopping these type of practices? Are we not the people of that country? And if we are, so why we are not stopping these type of practices? People give many reasons to throw out their. So people give many reasons to throw out their parents from their lives, and the well-known reason is their wives are unable to adjust with them. Why? Doesn't she have her own parents? If she has, then how could she do this? And why the husband don't used to tell their wives to first throw her parents out of their life, and then he will throw his also. But they act like Bhigi Billy in front of his wife, and they don't used to tell a single word in front of her. Second thing is second reason that people used to say is they get angry frequently. So what's the big deal? We all get angry, but do our parents throw out us from their homes and from their lives? They never throw us. So how could we throw them out from our lives? Third reason is they disturb by not letting them sleep at night. So guys, I have nothing to say for this reason. But I want to say that when you are born and when you cried for whole night, only your parents spoil their sleep to make you comfortable. Fourth and last reason is they are too busy, they cannot pay attention towards their parents. Just think once, is any of these reasons are countable? Do we really need old age home? In my opinion, we don't need these types of home for our parents. And why we send our parents to old age home?
Stop.
Because kids don't have time to live with their parents. Okay, sir.
Very good.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Sumit Parar, and here I want to choose the topic. The topic name is English speaking is an important skill, and here I want to describe the in this personality and habits, because with the help of habits and personality only we can improve our English. So here I want to tell that, as you know, that English is an international communication language, and here we know that if we know the English, then we can convey easily, because as we have taken the example of the Chinese baby which has came in our YouTube channel, if we know the good English, then he can convey us in a good manner, he can communicate us in a good manner. And as you know that for taking a job in abroad, we should require the English. Okay, this is a matter, this is a general matter. Now here I want to highlight the personality, that what is affected in personality if we know English or if we speak in English. See, as we are Indian, and if we will stand in front of 4 people and if we will talk in English, then it's give the most impact in us, because as we know that if we have a good personality, as we are in good dress up, and if we will speak English in a proper way, so yes, 101% if it give you a spot of light. Because see, in India, means 50% of Indians don't know the English. They don't know how to say English, and if anybody knows, they are hesitated to speak in English, because we don't have teach us, means our society is not teach us that from childhood we should speak English. And if we will speak English, they will tell what you are doing, please speak in Hindi, because our mother tongue is Hindi only. So this is the reason. And as we know that for increasing our personality and increasing our speaking skills, we should be habitual for that. That means that we should put the habit for that. And if we have habit, then only we can speak English in a proper way, and we can develop our personality.
Good evening, everyone. I am Aditi Shukla, and my today's topic is honesty is the best policy. Honesty means to develop a practice of speaking truth throughout life. A person who practices honesty in her life possesses strong moral character. An honest person shows good behavior, always follows rules and regulation, maintain discipline, speak the truth, and is punctual. Every person must have heard the phrase, honesty is the best policy. It is indeed a wise phrase. Every child learns this teaching from their parents. This beautiful teachings has been taught since time immemorial. Benefits of honesty is the best policy. A major component for developing moral character is honesty. Honesty helps in developing good attributes like kindness, discipline, truthfulness, and more. Lying, cheating, lack of trust, and other immoral attributes have no part in honesty. Honest people are always sincere, truthworthy, and loyal throughout their lives. Honesty certainly helps people in knowing who you really are. One must be honest.
Good evening, everyone. Hi, my name is Dhruv Raghuvanshi, and I am very delighted to share my thoughts on the topic success. Success is the status of having achievement and accomplished aim or objective. Being successful means the achievement of desired visions and planned gains. Success can be a certain social status that describe a prosperous person that could also have a game plan for its favorable outcomes. I believe success is described by who you are and the person you aspire to it. Success is measured differently from one person. What may be it small accomplished for one person can be a more milestone for the another huge milestone for another person. In today's society, people are always comparing each other by success, but the goal you set for yourself can be achieved through what you of your own performance and hard work. Be proud what you do so that no one can dismiss your goals and dreams. Whenever I get a small object, I'm very grateful because I know that I'm one step closer to achieve my overall performance. We all want to be successful, and everyone is more capable to achieving it. Ultimately, you alone define your success, and that is what give you your own sense of purpose and motive to conquer of obstacles that are.
Good evening to all of you. My name is Pankaj Kumar, and today in this session I'm gonna speak what is the difference between skill and degree. First of all, we will have to understand what is the meaning of skill. It is a part of our education system in which we can show our ability in front of any people as well as an institute by experimental, by practical, and by experience. That is called skill. Skill can be classified into three groups. First one is functional skill, and second one is attitude, and third one is knowledge-based skill. Let me explain one by one three skills. First one is functional skill. It is qualification that has been developed by UK government to improve England literacy and ITC skill. And second one is attitude skill. It is the way of behavior based on our inner motivate, personal value and aims. And third one is knowledge-based skill.
Okay.
It is the knowledgeable. You have a specific subject, produce the information necessary to form particular task and group of tasks. Now I'm gonna explain what is the degree. It's nothing but a certified document. By the help of it, we can show I have knowledge about in a specific subject. That is called degree. Degree can be classified into.
Good evening, everyone, and respected sir. Here is a Pritam Sahu. My topic name is importance of newspaper. Sir, a newspaper provide information and general knowledge. Newspapers about a country, economic situation, sports, games, entertainment, trade, and commerce. Reading newspaper is a good habit, and it is already part of the modern life. This habit will widen your outlook, will increase your knowledge. It will likewise improve your knowledge and skills and vocabulary. Many people's habits of reading daily newspapers that they seem incomplete without taking hold of every morning newspaper. Here are some of the benefits that you can get by reading newspaper daily. Newspapers carry the news of the world. Newspaper provide many information and much new update. Through newspapers, you will have clearly idea and understanding of what is happening in your country and whole world. A newspaper is a quite powerful tool that get information to people. It is one of the people and the world. In addition, there are also a great medium of
This is Samarth Upadhyay, and today I want to speak about the topic reservation in India. So, first of all, what is reservation? Reservation is the system in which people belonging to backward community are given reservation in government jobs and government colleges. It helps them to get a seat in government institutes despite having less marks or merit than the general class. So, first of all, the current scenario of reservation in India is 15% seats are reserved for scheduled castes, and 7.5% seats are reserved for scheduled tribes, and 27% seats are reserved for other backward classes. And total constitutional reservation percentage is 49.5%, and the rest 50.5% seats are open to all, that is general, SC, ST, and OBC. And I want to discuss about the advantage of reservation. There is no doubt that reservation has helped the people of reserved class to improve their social and economical status. The proportional of SC, ST, and OBC has increased in government institutes, and hence providing them a chance to raise themselves.
Okay.
More number of SC, ST students have been enrolled in undergraduate, postgraduate.
Friends, welcome you all on this gorgeous occasion. First of all, I would like to pay thanks to Sir that he gave me this golden opportunity to express my views in front of you. I also thank you people for being here. And today I would like to talk to about very interesting topic, motivational convincing power. It's my personal experience. I have not prepared anything else, and just I randomly have thought that I should discuss about this topic because it's my personal experience. Because if we talk about the job and in the world and the professional market and opportunity of the job, so it is very important you have a convincing power. If you have a convincing power, you can convince each and every people in a goodest way. If we talk about in the college, in the job, in the professional life, you need to convince everybody in every stages. So the convincing power, you should be a very strong. We should do the practice and we should make a command for that. If you want to talk about motivational, so many people nowadays they leave their job due to frustration, due to angriness, and whatever the issue. So it is very important. We should be motivate yourself. We should have a patience for everything. We should wait and watch whatever is going on, because so many situations it comes in a real life. If we talk about the offices and politics